Hello everyone. So today it's gonna be the fourth video about configuring emacs. So let's get started. So I'll open my init buffer and let's open the org file. So last day we installed the Malpa packages here, and today what we're gonna do, we're gonna install a few themes here and as well as some more packages. Now in case you want to change your themes, you can do it by customize themes, and here you have some options here. And in this I really like the TSHT dark, this theme. This is a good one, but I found a better one actually in the Malpa package. So let's list the packages and then we'll get started. Now the theme that I'm going to install is this Exotica theme. It comes with if I press enter, you will be prompted here, and let's install that right away. So this is one of the good themes that I found, and one more is this one, this Dracula. These two are the better ones. So along with these two, we are going to install two more packages. But first, since we have installed this, so if we see the list packages, you can see that this Exotica theme is there as well as this Dracula. Now if we do customize themes, you would see both Dracula and Exotica is here. So let's see how this works. So I just pressed enter here, and I like the color contrast of the Exotica more, but this Dracula one is also not bad either. So this is a bit pale compared to Exotica, but I like it anyway. So I would choose Exotica, but whenever you load your emacs by default, it will not come. So if I close my emacs and I'm reopening it, and you can see that this theme is not loaded. Now obviously we don't want that. We want the theme to be loaded by default. So what I'm going to do, these are two themes I have installed now. I don't want to install too many. Now here what I'm going to do here is that whenever it starts, it will come with the theme preloaded. So load themes, Exotica and true. So this will make this theme loaded by default. Alright, and before we test it, let's list packages one more time. Now this is one more package I found quite interesting. So this what it does is that you can cycle through your themes if you have multiple themes, So what I'm going to do is install this first. And this would be the command that we will add in the our settings file. Okay, I just need to open the buffer. Alright, so let's just expand this. So these are the name of the themes that it has. I have not installed any of these. And miraculous. So these are the themes that I have installed. Now, okay, I haven't opened it. Now let's open the init.il file, and as you can see, it has added some more lines here. This comes with the theme installation. Anyway, so what I'm gonna do is evaluate this buffer. Okay, so I think I've made a spelling mistake. It should be load theme. And it came with that. Now, okay. I just trying to see that for some reason its bind key did not came. Okay, so I'll do some debugging on this one, and by the next video probably I'll make it up and running. And one more package I want to install here. That is orgbullets. This is a package that will make your org file bullets a bit UTF character. What do I mean by that? I'll explain soon. Okay. So I'll make sure the bullets are always on. So whenever we are actually opening it, I'll just put the babel here. Okay, that should do this one. Now let's go back to init.il and let's eval buffer. Okay, or bullets mode. If I do this one, actually, okay, so the org bullets will not work directly like this because it's obvious that it's an ad hoc for the org. So we need to change something here. First, we need to check whether the package is installed or not. Org bullets, and then we will check. We will make something called ad hoc. So this will be the bullets mode that we are going to add, and Okay, so this should actually work. We're just adding the hook, add bullet modes here. So as you can see that instead of star we get something like this. Okay, and let's start it one more time and see whether this is up and running or not. Still not up and running. Require, or let me do some debugging on it. So require or bullets we have done. We are adding the hook. Okay, this is somewhere I have done the org mode hook. It should be the variable in which it should hook to. Okay, let's try it one more time. And we have it. So that's about today's video. So we have installed some more packages just to look things a bit nicer. Hope you like it, and thanks for watching.